In this video, you'll learn how to buy NFTs on Binance. The process involves accessing the NFT marketplace, selecting your desired NFT, and verifying your ownership after the purchase. By following these steps, you will be equipped to navigate the platform effectively. First, navigate to the Binance website and log into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. Once logged in, locate the menu at the top of the page and select the option labeled NFT Marketplace. This action will direct you to the dedicated section for NFTs, where you can explore various collections. After accessing the NFT marketplace, take some time to browse through the available NFT collections. You will see a range of NFTs, complete with creator information and pricing details. It is essential to review this information carefully to ensure it meets your expectations. Before proceeding, confirm that you have sufficient balance in your account to complete the purchase. This preparation is crucial to avoid any interruptions during the transaction. Next, select the specific NFT you wish to buy by clicking on its thumbnail. This action will open a detailed view of the NFT where you can review the price and the sale formats. Depending on the listing, you may find options for fixed price sales or auctions. Carefully confirm all purchase details, including the total cost and any associated fees, before proceeding to payment. Once you're satisfied with your selection, complete the payment by following the on-screen instructions. This step will prompt you to choose your payment method. After submitting your payment, wait for a transaction confirmation message. This confirmation can take a moment, depending on network conditions and transaction volume. Finally, after the purchase is complete, navigate to your NFT collection to verify ownership. You can check your transaction history to ensure that the NFT has been successfully added to your. It is advisable to save any purchase records for your reference. If you find that the NFT is missing, contact Binance support for assistance. You can choose to hold your NFT as an investment or list it for resale based on your preferences. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.